This is how cookie authentication works. I have my login endpoint here. I'm checking if a user exists in my fake DB. I'm making sure the password is correct and I'm setting a session ID here. I could have used a GWT token too, but I'm using a session ID for now. I'm saving a session ID for the particular user here. Then I set my cookie in the response. My key, my value, HTTP only, true for security purposes, max age, same site and secure false. I'm doing this because of my local. Normally it's meant to be true for security purposes. I have my protected route and my logout route, which deletes the cookie. Let's confirm it works in my API client. My body here includes the username and password. Let me send. Login successful. If I check my cookies in the response, I'm seeing session ID and the session ID created. Let's go to the protected route. Let me send this request. 200 OK. Let me check the console. My API client automatically added this session. That's why it worked. When I log out, the cookie gets deleted. If I come here to access the protected route, send, I'm getting authenticated until I log in again. Same thing happens for the browser. Let me log in. My login was successful. Let me check the protected route. It's saying I'm authenticated. Let me check the request that was sent. The request header. Now you see the browser automatically added the cookie. That's why it worked. The browser will automatically add the cookie for every request that gets sent to the server until I log out. Then it gets deleted. If I try to check the protected route again, it won't work. See, the cookie is no more included here anymore. I'll say this again. Instead of using session IDs, I could have just used GWT tokens instead. So yeah, see you on the next one.